So that will clean up your inactives that you see currently now. This next section is called Maximum Number of Offer versus Serve Itemized Meals. This feature is only going to affect a couple of our clients, the ones that are using the menu system for offer versus served. You can now come and set the limit of how many reimbursable meals that you can give to a student, and then after that, any purchases will be at an a la carte cost. Moving down to the posting section, you can now define what fields will be available on your posting screen. So if these are numbers that you want to include at the posting screen, you will leave them checked. And if you do not want them to show up, do not put a checkbox next to them. So in this case, I'm only going to select the point of service, the provision to breakfast, provision to lunch. And I will show you that when we get to the posting screen. We also have a new section under the posting called Maximum Posting Variance. This maximum posting variance you can set to a dollar amount, and the program will only accept either a positive or negative amount, $5, to allow the posting to continue. These are the changes under the cafeteria template. Again, I'm going to come back to this later, but you'll see a new tab here called Income and Expenses, and I'll explain that in a little bit. The next section that we have made some changes to is under Admin and Maintenance, under the Advanced Setup, Miscellaneous Setup. You now can define income and expense accounts. We have added a new report called a Profit and Loss Report, and these income and expense categories affect the Profit and Loss Report. So you can come in now and define any kind of expenses that you wish and define it as either an expense or an income, and now they will be included in the Profit and Loss Report. We have also made changes to the system setup. If you click on System Settings under Administration and Maintenance, System Settings, you'll see a new tab here called Reimbursement Rates. If you add your reimbursement rates to this table, they will help you give you more accurate numbers when you run the new Profit and Loss Report. Moving on, under Admin and Maintenance, under Menu and Menus, we have added a new warning. If you are generating a menu and you happen to put a duplicate item on the menu, when you go to click Apply or click OK, when you go click Apply and OK, it's going to give you a warning that that item is duplicated on your menu. That will give you an opportunity to make sure that you want it that way. And if you do, you can go ahead and click the Save button. But if you have made a mistake, you can go back and fix it by simply clearing it and modifying the menu. Under the Administration and Maintenance tab, under Serving Line, we've made some new changes here also. So if you click on serving line and then click on the serving line config and edit your template here, let me maximize this, you'll see that we've made some changes and we've added some things here. First thing I would like to show you is the check number. We now can define how the check number is added at the posting screen. You can either require the cashiers to put in a number of date, or you can only require the check number. So now you can define what information is required when you accept a check on the line. Also under the serving line, we have added support for a new pin pad that some of our districts are using. And it is called an X key pin pad. So now we can support X keys as far as pin pad devices. Moving on. Under the point of sale, we have now added the ability to remove any biometric information that may be associated with an account. So if you click on a point of sale, you click on maintenance, click on customers. Once you find the customer that you are looking for, you would hit view, and on the cafeteria side, if you hit edit, you click on the customer tab and you hit edit again, you'll see now a new button here that says delete biometric data. This will remove any biometric information associated with the student. We have also added a new CManager feature. Again, if you click on point of sale, maintenance, and customers, search for the customer that you're looking for, hit view, and on the right hand side, if you edit the point of sale customer and you click on the CManager tab, you'll see now that there are two types of CManager notes. You can edit it to add a note that will appear only at this cafeteria, or if this is a roaming child, you can add a note that will be viewed by any cafeteria where this child is being subscribed. We've also added the ability under the administration and maintenance